14 by 15. 14 by 15. 10 and 4. And 10 and 5. Oh, my recording thing is in the way. Okay, so 10 by 10 is 100. 10 by 4, 40. 10 by 5, 50. 5 by 4, 20. What do we got? 210. Right? So we end up adding all these together. And is that correct? 14 by 15 is 210? Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. We already flew through the first page. Okay, so now that felt okay for a little while, right? I switched pages is what I just did. Did you need the other one? You want to stick with just keep going with those numbers, enjoy that. Yeah. Just stay all today on those numbers. Okay. I might not be able to give you a grade 10 credit for doing that, but okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do it with binomials. Okay, so now we're not taking 11 times 14 or 143 times 37. We're going to take binomials, but you do it the same way. You bust out the two terms the same way. So h times h plus 11. So there's my h first, and then my 11. Easy peasy. And then we have h plus 5. So there's my h, and there's my 5. Right? We're going to do it the same way. So h times h gives me h squared. You guys know this, right? Because we have the exponents. We did this the other day. And then we've got h times 11. So I have 11h. And then we have 5 times h, which gives me 5h. And then we have 5 times 11, which gives me 55. Okay, so now, what did we do with all the other squares? We add them together. Same thing, we're going to add them together. So I have h squared plus 11h plus 5h plus 55. And we're going to combine any like terms that we can. Okay. So the only two I can combine are the ones with the same variable. So the h squared. Yeah. Plus 6 plus 5. Yep. That's exciting. Okay. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all that's done. Okay, so I'm going to pause. I'm going to hit the pause on the video. And why don't you guys try the first one? Okay. You first and then put things on it. I'm way better at that. So I rewrote it like this. You've got to take into account that negative. So x minus 4. So it's going to be a plus a negative 4, and then x plus 2. So x times x gives me my x squared. I've got a negative 4x. I've got a positive 2x, and then I have a negative 8. So I'm going to have x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. I'm going to combine the like terms. So that's going to be x squared minus 2x minus 8. I think 99.6% of you got this correct. Okay? All right. So moving on to the next one, because I know that you guys did, and I think that's awesome. So does it matter what order things are in? No, because we're multiplying, right? So this has an 8 out front. What kind of b am I going to have here? It's going to be a negative b. Did you guys all get that? I think most of you did. And then I have a 3 here, and then I got another negative b. Okay, you ready? Yeah. So 8 times 3, 24. 3 times a negative b is a negative 3b. How do we do on that one? Good. Confident? Yeah. Awesome. 8 times by a negative b is going to give me a negative 8b. I think when I was walking around, I wasn't really looking at this question, but I saw a lot of negative 11, so I feel like that's good. Now here's where we got some problems. So we have a negative b. Okay, we have a negative anything times by a negative anything. What do we get? A positive. So this should be a positive b squared. How did we do on that? Okay, so now I want to talk about order. Well, everyone's like, oh, we don't want to talk to you about order. So we want to start with our highest degree. So even though 24 is the first box, I'm probably going to put the first thing down. It's going to be my square because I'm going to put it in order. So I'm going to have a b squared minus 8b minus 3b. And is that a positive 24 or negative 24? All right, so I got a b squared minus 11b plus 20. I was going to put 25 just for fun. 24. Hey, it's the best I could do. I changed that 5 into a 4. I caught myself. So, okay, Miss Kelly, I put it in order. I put 24 minus 11b plus b squared. Am I wrong? No. But this is more correct. I don't know if you can be more correct, but this is more correct. No, but I think if we start practicing things and doing them in the right order, when it is for marks later on, depending on what math course you go into, that's the habit. Okay, how do we feel about these squares? So pretty good, eh? Okay. Oh, I kind of want to show you a different way to do it. Okay, can I show? Okay, you are more than welcome to continue to use the squares. Okay, but sometimes life doesn't give you a square. You just got to figure it out. Okay, so the way I do it, it's still the leapfrog like I did for grade 9. I call it the leapfrog. So I'm going to leapfrog. These two things have to be multiplied together. These two things have to be multiplied together. So let's do my first leapfrog, my forward frogging. So 3d times 4d. 12d squared. Okay? And then I got to leapfrog to my furthest one. So 3d times 2. 6d. So plus 6d. I got to figure out which way my d's go. All right. So now I'm going to leapfrog again, but this time the 3d has already been used. So I'm going to go to my second term. So 4 times 4d. And then 4 times 2. 8. So then we just combine the like terms. So I'm going to have 12d squared plus 22d plus 8. The box will give you the exact same answer. How do I do what? The box? Yeah. Oh, I know what you're asking. Okay, so this, my 3d would go here, my first term would go here, my positive 4 would go here, I'd have 4d here, and then my 2. So you're doing the exact same thing. 4d times 3d, 12d squared, 4d times 4 gives me 16d, 3d times 2 gives me 6d, and 2 times 4 gives me the 8, which are the exact same things. It does, but for us visual learners, The square makes a ton of sense. I can see it. I feel confident with it. Sometimes we don't have faith in our leapfrogging, or we miss a number, or we do it twice, or we do this by this, but it can get confusing. So if you want practice with using a square that's perfect, but my ideal would get you to be here. I'd like you to get away from the square eventually. But here's the thing. We all transition at different times. So if you use the square forever and ever, that's fine. If you don't ever use the square, that's fine too. Because we're all going to get to the same answer. We're all going to do it a little bit different. Okay? So I'm cool with either. But you cannot leave your answer in a square. I will be sad, and I will be upset, and you'll get, like, if this was a 2-mark question, you might get a half. Because you didn't show me that you could add them together. Like, if you just, actually, if you gave me this on your quiz, this is all you did, I'd be proud of you that you got the first step. But then you didn't add, you didn't know to add them all together, and you didn't combine like terms. You're missing some big concepts. If you did this and this, you'd probably get a 1.5 out of 2. Okay? And then this would full answer with your simplified answer using full marks. Okay. All right. Last one. Things are out of order. Do you want to do the box? No. Oh, look at you guys. No. I love these to do the box. Okay. We'll leapfrog it. And I like to put the arrows because it keeps me organized. So negative 2g times a positive 7. Negative 14g. All right, so my next leapfrog is still at the 2. So I have a negative 2g times by a negative 3g. Sorry, I'm getting there. That kind of looks like a b, but we'll go with it. Yeah, bg squared. It's all the cool kids are doing it. Okay, so now I've used up the first term. I'm going to go to the 8. I'm going to leapfrog this one. So 8 times 7. Okay. And then 8 times a negative 3g. Okay, so I'm going to put these in order. What am I going to start with? Bg squared. Okay, Bg, or we call that 6g squared. That's a much nicer 6. Oh, sorry. There's no letter B in there. Oh, I just saw B in that. Okay, what comes next? Do you guys want to combine like terms? You're good with combining like terms, so we're going to combine this one. Minus 38g. Nope. Because we're just counting them, we're collecting them. Okay? And then we've got plus 56. But if you were writing it down before, you should have 40 times 14. Yeah. All right. How does everybody feel about that? Okay, you guys don't have to use the algebra tab like I said in the last one, and you don't have to do any math. If you want to use the area model, please feel free. If you like the leapfrog, please feel free to use that.